Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Sand and Sky face mask made with Australian pink clay by Sand and Sky. It's a worldwide top seller. It detoxifies and brightens in only 10 minutes, allegedly. I'll tell you more about that. It tightens pores and boosts radiance. It protects against damage caused by pollution that we have in the air. And it's made in Australia using 100% Australian ingredients and nothing nasty in there, and it's not tested on animals, so it's bunny friendly, which is nice. It's a 4-in-1 formula, Australian botanical infused pink clay, and it's used as an instant detox to tighten pores, invigorate a dull complexion, and instantly boost radiance. The 4 different steps: there's detoxing, which draws out the impurities, toxins, and pollutants from the skin, refines pores, and deep cleanses masks. It's a deep cleansing mask. I found that it caused me to break out a little bit, which they said is pretty normal because you're pulling the toxins out of your skin. I used it on my husband. He had brilliant results. So it also contains vitamin A, so you have to be careful if you're also taking dietary supplements or using other products containing vitamin A. You want to store in a cool, dry place. The 4 steps are: apply evenly on freshly cleansed skin using the applicator brush, which I don't know what I did with. I don't remember where I put it. So it comes with a little applicator brush. I don't have that at the moment. You let the mask dry completely, approximately 10 minutes. You can leave it on for longer. And gently remove with warm water and just pat dry with a soft cleaning towel. And it's a great product. So what else it does is it invigorates, it helps to regenerate skin cells and stimulate cell production. It also helps, I have hyperpigmentation on my cheeks. I noticed that it removed some of the pigmentation clusters from my skin surface, which was really nice. It refines, it tightens pores. I can vouch for that. That works really well. It stimulates collagen production, which we all need, so we don't have to use fillers or Botox or any of those strange things. And brightening, it helps prevent free radical damage. It creates a defense shield to leave the skin glowing. And you can use it up to 2 to 3 times a week if you have regular combination skin, 1 to 2 times if you have sensitive skin. And it's normal to feel a little bit of tingling sensation. I didn't feel it, my husband did. So this is what it looks like, and it is 2.1 ounces or 60 grams. And the package may vary. I've seen it in blue. But you just... Oh, it's going to give me trouble now. Alright. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of a mauvey pink color. And the smell just smells like clay, really. It's I don't know what clay smells like. It's pleasant. It's a pleasant scent. You let it dry. I'm just taking some off the top of the lid. You let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off. I had baby smooth skin. So did my husband. I highly recommend this. The only thing is it's a little small for what you pay for, so I'd probably knock it down a star for that. but the detoxifying and the brightening is great. Like I said, the first time I used it, I broke out a little bit because it was detoxifying the skin. So I would give this a good solid 4 stars out of 5. And I'm getting clay all over the place. And yeah, so the Brilliant Skin Detoxifying and Brighten Purifying Pink Clay Mask by Sand and Sky, all made with all Australian ingredients, and it's a great pore refining face mask. So don't take my word for it, check it out yourself, and thanks so much for watching.